Checking your account balance on Manageum is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Manageum website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account securely. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. This is typically the main page that appears after logging in, displaying an overview of your account. Step 3. Find the account balance section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your balance. Check the displayed balance to see your current funds. If you need more details, there may be options to view recent transactions or account statements. Step 5. Log out safely. After checking your balance, remember to log out of your account, especially if you are using a public or shared device. This helps protect your account information. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Manageum. Always ensure your account details are kept secure.